Hello friends, today I am here by taking the concept of class 12th, chapter 1st Relations and Function, exercise 1.2, which is based on functions. In my previous video, I discussed about relations and its types, but now let us discuss about functions. A relation f from a non-empty set B is called a function if for every value of x belongs to A and there exists unique y belongs to B such that xy belongs to R. This is order pair. Means every element of x will give unique image and order will lie in relation. This is known as function. In general form, a function f is non-empty subset of A cross B. A cross B is your relation such that every element of A appears in one order pair of f. No two order image has same first element. Means no two image can have same first element. Means like this. 1 is giving 4, 1 is giving also 5. Then this is not a function. Like this, I've explained if 1 is giving A, 2 is giving B, but 3 has no image, then you will say it is not a function because every element must have a unique image. So it is not a function. And one more example like this, 1 is having 2 and 1 is having 3. No, I told about this कि 1 is giving two answers. Same here. So this is also not a function. Only two times when any element has no image and when one number is giving two images, then only it is not a function. Now function is denoted by this form f from A to B. This is your domain, this is your range. Yes, range means codomain. Codomain means each element of B. Whichever you are putting in function, what is giving, that is known as range. Key to remember, every relation is not a function, but every function is a relation. Means relation is not always a function, but function is always a relation. Now we are discussing about types. Firstly, 1 1. 1 1 means injective. It is other name is 1 comma 1. 1 1 we can say a function f from A to B is said to be 1 1 if x1 not equal to x2 which are belonging to A. It implies function is also not equal. So this is 1 1. And one more, f of x1 is equal to f of x2. It implies after solving, if you are able to get this, then you say this function is 1 1 where x1 and x2 belong to your first, means these are domains. Like this, 1 is giving 2, 2 is giving 4, 3 is giving 9. Every element has a unique image, so it is 1 1. If any element has more than 2 image, so you will say it is many one, because whenever you are putting 2 you are getting B, 3 putting after you are getting B. This is known as many one function. This is known as many one. Next is onto. Onto means surjective function. A function f from A to B is called onto if for every y belongs to B there exists at least one element x belongs to A such that y is equal to f of x. In other words, we can say f from A to B. Suppose this. If any element has no pre-image, then it is not onto. Whenever we are saying any element is free here, then you are saying this is not 1 1. This is not onto in range whenever you say. And one more example, this is what? This is many one. Yes. And this is onto because every element has a, no element is without pre-image. Now we discuss some examples. Show that f is 1 1 and onto. Whenever you have to show them, then you will take general case. But whenever you have to prove या disproof या check, then you will do it by examples. Now you have to show, so let f of x1 is equal to f of x2. If you are taking, then you have to prove it this, because this is your definition na, कि if f of x1 is equal to f of x2, then you have to prove this. So similarly I am taking this is equal, so I will put x1 and x2, both will be cancel, you are able to get this, so this is 1 1. Now f is not onto, as how, for 1 belongs to n, there does not exist such that f of x equal to 1. See, I am telling here, function is what? Natural numbers, means your function from n to n. Here you will see 1 2 3 4, like here also you 1 2 3. If you are putting 1 here, what are you getting? 2. If you are putting 2, you are getting 4. Means some elements will have no pre-image, some elements are not having pre-image, so that is not onto. Got my point? Now for next example, let a is set having r minus 3, means real number but not included 3. b r minus 1 means excluded 1. So f from a to b defined by f of x equal to this, you have to is this function f11 or onto. Justify your answer. So f from a to b, firstly you will take these two, so you will put x1 x2, cross multiply, you will see after cancellation you are able to get, so it is 1 1. Now you will check onto. So on that time what will you do? You will put your f of x is equal to y, always you will do in this manner. You will put f of x is equal to y, then cross multiply, then after that you will find the value of x in terms of y. You will find the value of x in terms of y. Then if you will get that value, are able to get that value, then you will put your value in f of x. That I did. F of x is equal to, you will put here, because this is the value of x you got, you will put in given function on place of x, then you will solve. If you are able to put, after putting you are getting y, means f of x is equal to y, so then you will say this is onto function. Means firstly you will do f of x is equal to y, you will find the value of x in terms of y, then you will again put this value in your given function in place of x. If you are able to get the value of y, then you will say कि this is onto. I hope you are getting. Thank you. Have a nice day.